Hi everyone. So hope you all are doing really well. As you know, there are interviews going on. So there is a tricky questions. I think two, three tricky questions are there. So we're gonna discuss one by one, and then there will be first is okay. We're gonna discuss here as a part of this one. Then I'll have another video. For example, it's a duplicate character count. So in a string, if there is a duplicate character, then you have to give me the count of duplicate characters. So for example, we have Java. So you have to give me a is equals to 2. That is what you have to give me. This one is little tough. So if you know the first, I suggest you to practice this one. If you practice this one, the other two can be easy for you. The other two is like which is similar to this one is like the character count. So character count, for example, if you have Java, then J is equals to 1, comma, how many times it is being repeated, A is equals to 2, and then V is equals to 1. So that is how, this is another. So this one is a duplicate character count, okay, and then this one is each character count. And then again, if you have a sentence, for example, this is my vlog. I don't know. I'll be making anytime vlog. So okay. So this is my favorite work, kind of, okay. So here, if this is the string, you have this is the string. Let me question mark, okay. So here also I'll be doing. So these are the three different questions which you really have to practice, and these are very similar questions, and it create a lot of confusion. So if you one second. So this is my this is a string, okay. This is a string we have, and then here you have to give me the count of like this equals to 2 and is equals to 1 and my equals to 2, like that, okay, so on. So this is how you understand, right? So it is like each word count. These are very similar questions, and if you know, I think if you practice the one of them, this duplicate character, I think it's pretty much you will be able to do this too. So because the extension, because if it's very easy to do these two, and the extension of this one is this. So now here we have to check certain condition as well. So let's say for the duplicate character, when we understand the duplicate character, here we have to check. So if the string, if string, whatever string, for example, if you are putting name, so name is equals to, if name is equals to, अगर हमारा null है, right, if it is null, then nothing can be done, right? So if the string is null, then your system dot out, here I'll be practicing here. So I want try practicing it in Notepad, because many of you is being asked to write it in a Notepad. So the string is null, then okay, fine. Then again, if name dot length, like length is less than equals to 1, less than or equals to 1, or you put it like length is 1, then again cannot be traceable, right? एक ही character है, तो what you gonna do that, right? You cannot do anything. System dot out dot print, no, these two conditions. Also is empty is also the one which, if it is an empty string, so print string string one one of whatever. String length is 1, that is what you can. और यहाँ से आप रिटर्न कर जाओगे. You can also mark written as an keyword here, written or whatever these conditions, or we can check. So let's dig in into the code. These 3 conditions we will check, and now we dig in into the code, and first I'll write it. While I write it also and explain you. So let's create a class, and we're gonna discuss many things into this one. So I have also practicing. There were many code and which gonna come. So okay, now we have a class here, so we're gonna create. So class name should be capital, start with capital and goes on with how you want it to, but the class first letter should be uppercase, and in the method the first letter should be small case. Okay, that has to be understood. Okay, for the beginners also I'm explaining this. So we will be writing duplicate character count. Okay, now we will not be added. Don't try to add everything here, just try to write it. So for the method we'll be having, for the class we'll have the open braces, and okay, so here we will be having, okay, here I'll write public static. Okay, here also public is always small, public static void main, and then here string has to be, S should be capital. That you know, right? Primitive, non-primitive, and data types. If you study, you know string will come as where and why we write it. That is again a different topic, so I'm not gonna get into that. And then I always have a problem writing this. See, I'll also like that is practice is very important. Even though I know it, but at the first instance I was not able to write it correctly. So practice a lot. Okay, so I'm also learning. So yeah, public static, it has to be static because we're gonna call the same method under main method. So whenever you write the another method, you make it static. Then void, you write a method name. So whenever we write a method name, duplicate a method name should be small, so then it should have 2 brackets here. Okay, 1 bracket, parameter break bracket, and then method can be called like this. Okay, then here you will be writing string name. Okay, this will be your name or anything, where I'll be taking as a string name. Okay, then here we have to use a map. Since it is a key value, you know, right, that this will be a key and the value of that one is 2. So here we will be counting a character. Okay, so here we'll be using map concept, so we will use hash map, or you can also use map here, but I'll prefer using map, hash map, but you have to use hash map only. You can use any map, but map gonna use it. We are using hash map for this one. Then we use character, comma, because we have a character and then uska integer value. Okay, then here we will be using some reference variable, and then here new of hash map. You really have to remember how you are writing it. So hash or map is again capital letter. So yeah, if you're introducing a multiple maps or multiple things, you can also have java.util.star, but here we will be using imported java map. Okay, now first we have to convert this string into the character. Okay, So we will use the character array. We have to convert, you know, right? When you have to count the character from the string, you need to convert it to the character. So then we will be using ch and then name dot to char array. This is also a method which can be used. So 2 is a small letter, and then it's in the camel case wherein small letter has to be. So this is how you will gonna convert, right? Convert your string, convert the string into array, okay, to character array, okay, char array. Now we're gonna iterate to this char array. Now we have to go through all the elements in an array, okay. एक array बन गया हमारा इस तरीके का. Now array कैसा बनना है हमारा, ये तो हमारा string था. 1 second, we didn't check these conditions. We will put in that condition also if somebody asks, okay. Now it will, when you do it, it will convert into this character array j a comma v comma a, okay. This is how it's gonna convert, and it will store it in a ch, okay. ch जो कैरेक्टर हमने बनाया, कैरेक्टर एरे बनाया है, ये ch बिन पे स्टोर हो गया, ये बन गया है अब, ठीक है. Now we gonna iterate through this one. So we will gonna again create a character. C हम ले लेते हैं character, and then we gonna iterate through ch. Now we gonna check the condition, okay. we gonna check if char map, जो तुम्हारा char map है, right, char map जो तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर का एक मैप बन गया है हैश मैप से, तो इट विल बी लाइक की एंड वैल्यू क्रिएट हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी इनसाइड इट. तो अगर कैर मैप में एक मेथड होती है, लाइक देयर इज अ मेथड कॉल्ड कंटेन्स की, लेकिन देयर इज अ मेथड, सो वी विल बी राइटिंग फ्रॉम द स्मॉल कंटेन्स की सी, इफ इट इज कंटेनिंग द सी, ओके, देन char map dot put यूज होगा c कॉमा get c प्लस 1. तो अगर कंटेन मैप्स, अगर तुम्हारा जो कैरेक्टर होता जाएगा, अगर उसमें डुप्लीकेट कैरेक्टर है, ठीक है, डुप्लीकेट कैरेक्टर आ रहा है, तो वो क्या होगा, उसका काउंट 1 से बढ़ जाएगा. लाइक इफ दिस कंटेन्स अ डुप्लीकेट कैरेक्टर, so already your char map is defined in the char map, okay. If your character is again duplicate, so firstly we gonna discuss about the else condition here first, okay. I'll write the else condition char map dot put c comma 1, okay. So if you have 1 second, here I will use char map dot get, okay. So can, okay, fine. So for example, if your java goes, okay, java, your name is java here, so j first it will iterate through j, so it is j, right. So if char map contains c, so j is the first character, right, it will not contain that c, okay, then it will come here. So char map dot c 1, it will print as 1. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इटरेट पे तुम्हारा जे प्रिंट हो गया, ओके, फर्स्ट इटरेशन पे जे प्रिंट हो गया. नाउ अगेन यू हैव सेकेंड इटरेशन में क्या हुआ, देन इफ अगेन द कैरेक्टर मैप चला, देन अगेन नेक्स्ट विल बी ए, सो ए विल बी कंटेन सी, नो, इट विल बी एल्स हियर, देन सी ए, ओके, then you are having v, again it will be coming as c, then again a. If again a, in this a has come in the fourth loop, yes, a is there, right, a is there, तो उसको हम क्या कर देंगे, +1 करा देंगे, ठीक है, उसको +1 करा देंगे. देन a विल बी, पहले तो a का था 1, देन इट विल ओवरराइड एज एन 2. ओके, नाउ अभी हमको ये सब चीज़ आ रहा है लाइक जे ए वी ई, वी डोंट वांट, वी ओनली वांट a equals to 2. I think I've added extra one. Okay, fine. Now we're gonna use here set, because we only want a equals to 2. So here we will be using a set here, and because we need all these array things, okay, it is iterated and it has been into map. Now we're gonna set it, like we use set concept here, then we will use map dot entry, then we gonna use character comma integer, this is entry set equals to new of, we don't use new here, char map dot entry set method has been used. Okay, here we're gonna import, then 1 second, here it is like, okay, fine, sat and map has to be input. Okay, here you have created that because you only want a equals to 2. Then again you gonna use for loop. For that you again create a map, because you have to create a for loop in this entry set. Map dot map of character map dot entry, I forget. What I'm writing, you have to write en value, then here you have to iterate. Entry, and then here you have to iterate with this entry set. Okay, entry set. Okay, you have to iterate with this. Okay, because you want a equals to 2, right, a equals to 2, so you will be going to entry set, how many entries has been there, and you have to count the key and value. Okay, then okay, if entry dot get value, only get value is great, get value method, again एक और method है यहाँ पे, and entry set के अंदर, because you have to use get value, you have to get the value, right, which is duplicate 1, so that's the reason we will be using this entry set concept is greater than 1. उसका जो वैल्यू है किस, अब इधर पे तुम्हारा क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये हो गया। अब इस कैर मैप से तुम्हारा निकला, कैर मैप को हमने एंट्री सेट में डाल दिया कि जितनी भी एंट्री हुई है उसका एक सेट क्रिएट हो जाए। एंड देन अगर उसकी वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 1 है, देन यू गोना हैव सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट, because you have to map it into the key and map only the duplicate one whose value is greater than, okay, print, okay, entry dot key, entry dot get value, okay, then you're gonna have plus, then you're gonna have get value method, and then you're gonna have plus equals to plus get key. How many times it has been entry dot get key, get की क्या है, मेथड है, तो हमें ब्रेसेस लगाने होंगे, ठीक है। This is how it has been. Now you're gonna call that duplicate character here. Char. हम यहाँ पे जावा लिखते हैं क्योंकि हमारा बाकी हमारा सब सही है। Now we're gonna run that. हमने थोड़ा सा हमने गेट वैल्यू गेट की करना था एंड देन गेट वैल्यू, राइट, सॉरी गेट की करनी थी पहले, कि हमेशा बड़ा होगा इसमें, एंड देन हियर इट शुड बी वैल्यू, क्योंकि हमें की चाहिए, की क्या है हमारा ए और उसकी वैल्यू क्या है 2, a equals to 2. So this is how it has to be printed. And so if you print like if you have learned all those code, right, you don't have to